Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will solve a problem using Python. When we have thousands of files in a folder and we want the name and the path of all the files, we can extract this with using a simple Python program. See, these are the files that we have in a folder. See, this is the property, this is the path. Now I will use this Python program. I will paste in description. See, this is the folder or path where files are kept. The other path is where the Excel will be generated. Let's go to the path and see if anything exists in the file or not. So we will open it and check. This file is empty, so we have closing it. Now we will execute our Python program. I will paste in this program in description. So let's run. It has been completed and Excel has been generated. Let's go to the Excel. See, this is the file, all the files name along with the path. This is very beneficial if we have thousands of files. If we need the file, we can modify the program. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.